Hey guys, we're back, and we are playing Minecraft Pocket Edition, and we're making a huge explosion like that, and yeah, and don't worry about the Chinese thing. And when we're done, I'll be right back. We're back, guys, and so we're going like Canadian right now. So 3, 2, 1, night. Nice. I'm gonna.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
Go to your screen.
This is a bit still recording.
Oh my god. God, this is humongous.
Oh my yes. Humongous.
There's like a big crack in the hole.
I know.
Oh my
It looks. It's very leggy. Come on. Who cares?
Oh, I can't receive things.
Look, it's flashing. Look, it's flashing.
Oh, it's just me out. Great.
Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness.
Guys, it's so laggy that it kicked me out. So that's why Ryan got kicked out too. So I'm going to be right back.
So we're gonna play this game. So I'm just waiting for my brother. Huge explosion.
It's humongous.
It kicked me out. It totally kicked me out.
I bet it's going to take a long time to load now.
Yeah, I know.
So
just like got it. What's got it? So yeah. Oh, my baby's talking. It's not actually baby. It's my baby sister. The baby sister. No, so break everything. So let me try. Okay, we'll show you the explosion. So I'm just going away from my brother. You can go here and go find some like server stuff.
this happened.
What? It's not exploded yet.
Even this is not even exploded yet.
Oh yeah, because you got kicked out. Not again. You have to do this again. So we'll be right back. We're back. So we're going to nade it right now. So let's go. It's not. Run. It's lagging so badly.
What's going to happen for you?
Let's see.
No, it's going to kick me out.
Don't kick you out. Don't.
Yes. It's got fun on the screen now, wire.
Oh my goodness.
This is so humongous.
No.
My screen's not lagging. Mine's still going.
Not. I kicked you out now.
No, it doesn't. I see you. I see it going inside. Whoa.
Goodness.
This is not even giant.
It feels like exploding.
Whoa, okay. So bye guys.
So bye.